a house that always focused on quality. Instead, my vision just got too caught up on the quantity. Never thought that I could fall in love like this. This feeling is just too unreal, it feels like this. Baby, everything about you from the way you're talking makes me wanna really get proud when I'm walking right next to you, holding you so close. Oh baby, I really wanna feel something that's true. Girl, I hope it's you tonight. Alright, I really wanna feel something that's true. Baby, I hope it's you tonight. Alright, alright. The way you touch me when you kiss my face, we got love that can't be replaced. Everybody tells me stay away from you. No matter what they say, I keep loving you. Yeah, I'm never giving up on what we have, even though sometimes I just don't understand. It takes a special kind, I gotta be my man, 'cause I really wanna feel it. I really wanna feel something that's true. Oh, girl, I hope it's you. Girl, I hope it's you tonight. Tonight. Alright. Oh, I really wanna feel something that's true. Baby, I hope it's you tonight. Alright, alright. She dismantles every insecurity with ease, humbles my heart when she's smiling at me, takes my breath away every single day. I just can't believe this a feeling that I feel right now. It's your kind of girl you will leave never. You know she not go play, and when you're on the road she pray.